From matters IEBC back into politics, and Ford Kenya National Delegates Congress today re-elected Bungoma Senator Moses Wetangula as the party leader and presidential nominee for the 2022 general election. Wetangula scoffed at a splinter faction led by Kandui Member of Parliament Wafula Wamunyinyi of engaging in a futile attempt to stage an internal coup. One Kenya Alliance principals Gideon Moi, Kalonzo Musyoka and Musalia Mudavadi saluted the delegates for having faith in Wetangula's leadership and promised to work as a team to form the next government. Our senior political affairs reporter Patrick Amimo with more.
Almost 2,000 Ford Kenya delegates trooped and converged at the Bomas of Kenya to elect the National Party officials in compliance with the Political Parties Act. Police were present to ensure law and order. Only certified delegates and invited guests were allowed at the venue. Moses Wetangula retained the position of party leader. He'll be deputized by Millicent Obudho and Innocent Obiri. Delegates also nominated Wetangula to be the party's flag bearer and lead negotiations with like-minded parties under the One Kenya Alliance.
You have debunked lies from the truth. And today, Ford Kenya stands as a proud lion party, imara kama simba, tukinguruma kila mtu anasikia. We remain at the top of the food chain in the politics of this country.
OKA principals Gideon Moi of Kano, Wiper's Kalonzo Musyoka and ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi, who was represented by Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala, promised to work as a team to ensure OKA clinches the presidency and forms the next government.
We've come together in the realization that if we do not stand, if we do not commit ourselves to our people, our country, which is now, I'll be honest with you, in the abyss, will topple over.
There are many people who thought this function will not happen. Has it happened or has it not? Imefanyika, haikufanyika.
If there is any handshake, it must be done before elections. Kama uko genuine, wewe ni mtu wa handshake, kuja sasa hivi. Sisi tukipata serikali, handshake ya baada ya kura hatutakubali. Wewe mtu wa handshake, kuja sasa hivi, milango ziko wazi. And our clarion call is no handshake after bloodshed.
The One Kenya Alliance leadership promised robust and vigorous public rallies across the country to market the agenda and policies.
This team seated here, Musalia, Wetangula, Kalonzo, and Gideon Moi, give us a presidential candidate through consensus. That is the only way. Tukianza kusema ANC leta delegates hapa, Ford Kenya leta delegates hapa, Wiper bring delegates here, KANU bring delegates here, will mess up the solid unity we have now. And as son of a pastor, I'm telling you, enemies wataingia ndani na tuatuharibia.
Formula yetu ya kutafuta presidential candidate itakuwa kwa nyinyi wanne, utuambie tuende namna gani, and we want it as soon as possible.
So my advice to you as principals, please build trust. It takes time to build trust. It takes a second to break that trust. We'll stand with you, we'll be with you.
In an earlier meeting where delegates elected party officials, Wetangula criticized Kandui MP Wafula Wamunyinyi and his Tongareni counterpart Dr. Eseli Simiyu of trying to rock the party.
If you have the recklessness and the audacity of purporting to stage a coup, you must be ready to succeed or you'll be dead on arrival. And if you don't succeed in the first 10 minutes, you are dead on arrival.
Wetangula told the splinter group to join the rest or ship out.
Wale waharibifu, wale mahasidi, wale ambao wanajitakia, God knows how to make it difficult for them to go anywhere. And he has truly made it difficult for them to go anywhere. And he is now speeding them towards their solicited early retirement from the national stage.
The Ford Kenya delegates nominated Moses Wetangula as their presidential nominee, with One Kenya Alliance principals vowing to work together to ensure that they form the next government. Patrick Amimo, KTN News at the Bomas of Kenya, Nairobi.
All right, before we